toilet and bath. It comes with a granite countertop, lavatory, your toilet bowl, shower head, provision for your water heater, niche, wall tiles, and floor tiles. This space is your washing machine cabinet or your service area. It comes with a power outlet, water supply, and of course, your drain. Now showing your second bedroom. It comes with a window, and of course, a provision for window